a conversation between shopkeeper and customer for buying a watch. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Time Zone Watches. How can I help you today? Hi, I'm looking for a wristwatch. Something elegant but not too expensive. Sure, ma'am. Would you prefer branded watch or a local one? I'm not sure yet. Can I see both options? Of course, here are some branded watches starting from rupees 5000, and these are local watches starting from rupees 1500. These branded ones look nice. What brand is this one? That's a Casio. It's a water resistant, has a 2-year warranty, and a leather strap as one. And how much is it? It's rupees 6500, but it's one offer best sellers. Oh, that's a bit expensive. Can you reduce the price? Ma'am, branded watch prices are usually fixed, but let me check if I can give you a small discount. All right. For you, can I offer it at rupees 6200? Still too high. I saw the same watch online for rupees 5800 only. I understand, ma'am, but we offer after sale service, free battery replacement, authentic warranty, which online stores don't. That's true, but can you at least make it rupees 5900? I will pay in cash. Okay, ma'am. Final price rupees 5900. Because you are our first customer. That's great. I'll check it. Can I try it on? Sure. Here you go. Looks perfect on your wrist. Yes, it fits well. Please take it nicely. I want to gift. Take to someone. Absolutely. I will wrap it in the gift box. Would you like a gift bag too? Yes, please. And can you give me the warranty card? Here is the warranty card, the receipt, and your watch in a gift box. Thank you for shopping with us. Thanks a lot. You are very helpful. I will definitely come again. It was a pleasure, ma'am. Have a great day. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताना है कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि तमाम नोटिफिकेशंस टाइम पर मिलती रहें, और तमाम वीडियोस को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर किया करें ताकि आपको इंग्लिश बोलने में आसानी हो, आपके साथ कोई पार्टनर मिल जाए जो आपके साथ इंग्लिश बोले। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।